this off and loosened all of these bolts. Now I'm just going to take them out, and then there's just a few clips holding this front like bumper in place, you could say, here, and here, and they just slide out. So you want to see all the clips out, and now it should come straight off like so. So this is the original, the chrome. That does look a lot more aggressive, to be honest. The kidney goes off. Same wipe on this one. It's just a little wipe over. Should just snap into place, to be honest. Again, just line it up. It should just. The little things that add less is more. Thing like this, to not over tighten them until they all line up and they're all in place. Finish them off one more time. But, oh my days, I'm just getting glimpses of these and they're just transforming the whole car. Wow, the whole front end. But one step at a time, one step at a time. So these are all tightened now. I'm just got to put this weather strip back along and then we're literally done. Out with the old, in with the new. Literally, you just have to find like there's a gap in between. You just got to press it down. There, as you can see, press it down. There's a little gap here, so be careful if you press in there. Oh yeah, just like that. We are done. Let's close it.